Hello, welcome to G-Lite concept. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the tone curve to increase the brightness or reduce the brightness of a picture. So this is a picture I'm going to be using. I'm using CorelDRAW version 2025, but anyone you're using is still the same steps. So you click on your picture, you go to Effects, Adjust, you come to Tone Curve. This is Tone Curve. You click on Tone Curve, and here you go. This is your tone curve. So now you can raise it up to add the brightness. You can see the brightness increasing. You can see it increasing. You just add it to your desired taste, or you can take it below to reduce the brightness. And you can see the picture getting deeper and deeper and deeper. So that's the use of tone curve. That's how you use the tone curve to add or reduce brightness in CorelDRAW. Thank you.